Tammi. Oh, Tammi. Hi all, welcome to my channel. Sonya here. Hello, it's been a little bit of time. I know, I'm very sorry. Not going to go too much into the whys and what's happened and everything. I might talk about that in another video, but for today we've got the new Makeup Revolution Tammi palette Carnival. Haha. Yes, I'm so excited to try this. I got it a few days ago. I have not used it yet. As you can see, we've still got the plastic on top and everything. It's super colourful. If you're on my Instagram, you'll know that I have been doing colourful looks lately, which is very strange for me, as I thought I was always going to be a neutral girl, but no, I've stepped into the whole colourful side of the gram and makeup and stuff, and I am enjoying it. And this palette has just come right on time for summer. Don't know what I'm going to do today, but it's going to be colourful, obviously. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with the Plouise Base in shade number 3. I've had this for so long and it's still going strong. Like, there's still loads left in here. You really get so much for your money. As you can see, I don't put a lot on. 2 little blobs on my eyes, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Any fluffy brush will do, just to distribute that over my eyelids. And you know what I'm going to do? Before I forget, end up with a load of makeup in my hair, I'm going to get my hair clipped back. I'm never too precise with this step. I just literally just smush it everywhere and get it even. So I'm going to go in first with navy on my M506, favourite brush ever. So I'm just going to push that into my crease. When I apply my shadows, I first like to push and press in first, and I get a much more even, smoother application of colour when I do it in this way, rather than going straight in with swirling or sweeping. There's no skipping this way, and you get a lot of colour just on your eye straight away. No playing about. At this stage, don't worry too much about trying to get anything perfect blended out at this point or anything. There's really no point. Just focus on getting the colour and placement and everything on your eyes first. So on another M506, I'm just going to go into girlies and overlap what I've done and take that more into the inner area of my eye. I do have quite a few Revolution eyeshadows already. I must say this is it's very intense, and sometimes they can be a bit, you know, you get what you pay for. This is definitely all the colours are very pigmented and they go on really nicely, and I haven't noticed anything going on chalky at all, which is great for a palette that is £10. On a 217, I'm just going into Spice Island, but to start off with, I'm just gonna press the colour in just to make sure that you can actually see it. So I'm just going back in with the same colours again, just to re-intensify everything. And at this point, this is when you can like really focus on blending everything together and making sure that everything is seamless. There is a lot of fallout with this palette. I do think this is probably one which I would advise that you do your foundation afterwards, which I've been doing anyway recently. Just a note. And yeah, don't be alarmed, it's very dark, intense, and looks a bit wild now, but yeah, once I've cut the crease, added some shimmery shades on and lashes and everything and foundation, and got rid of the fallout which is making my under eye look dark, it will come together. Just have faith in the process. I'm not going to completely cut my crease, but I am going to go in with a little bit of the Revolution cut crease canvas. This is like one of my favorite things at the moment. I absolutely hate the packaging though. Every time I open it, every time I close it, you get this little volcano of product which like starts to come up, and it's just getting worse every time I use it. As you can see, it's like collecting around the screw top, so when you close it, that just goes and it just goes everywhere. And if you're in a hurry and you like open it and you pull this out, stuff just goes flying everywhere. Carpet, sofa, cat. Yeah, this packaging definitely needs to be readdressed. I want almost like a halo eye kind of effect. It doesn't need to be too precise, basically. I'm just putting this down so the next set of shadows show up a bit better. Literally just that, and I will blend that out a little bit on the edges. I just want the middle of my eyes to be a bit more a bit brighter, that's all. I will just use what's on my eye already. I'm just going to pat that out a bit. And if you find that it's still a bit too wet, just clean off your brush and go back over it and just tap it out. So using a small little flat brush going into Soaker, and I'm just going to press that onto the center of my little white area that I've created here. And the shimmers in this palette, they are not like it's not like a sparkly glittery shimmer. It's very it's almost like just like a satin kind of finish. For me personally, I prefer that. I've not really been into the whole glittery look lately, and if I do want to go for something that is more on the sparkly side, I'll probably go over it with like a pigment or some kind of glitter or something, or one of the pressed glitters. And on a flat fluffy brush, just taking the color Destiny and using that on the very edge to blend. Just going over the center with my finger, just so I want that bright color just to punch out a little bit more. I think this is applying a lot better with my finger than it was with the brush, to be honest. Really like that. This would be nice as a very precise halo eye as well, but yeah, I'm just liking this kind of carefree smoky look at the moment. So I'm going to clean up under my eyes, put some lashes on and liner, and I'll be back to finish off the lower lash line. So in the center of my eye, I'm just going to press on Bacchanal. I really want some blue in here somewhere. I can't get over how pigmented these are. And on the outside, I'm going to go back in with Girlies. Excuse my lower lash line face. Yeah, there's no way of making it look elegant. I kind of have to do something to pull everything so it doesn't go into all my creases and stuff. So excuse the face. It makes me laugh when I edit things, and yeah, most times when I do my Instagram videos, I have to take that bit out because I'm just like I'm in the camera, and yeah, it's tragic. I can't look at myself like that. Just taking some of Spice Island just to smooth out that outer edge a bit and give everything something to blend into. And for my tear ducts, I'm just going to go into Short Knee. I just want to keep it dark, but I do want something shimmery down there as well. Because I'm feeling extra, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. What's this? Aquatic is the colour. Just picked these up yesterday actually. Oh wow, it's really all going on outside. Lips next, so you see the lashes, the liner, mascara, everything just brings everything together. So yes, fret not when you're in the early stages. It's gonna look a bit wild for a minute, but then yeah, just know once you put your lashes on, your liner and everything, everything just works, it comes together. So I think I'm gonna leave this look blushless for definite, but I want something on my lips that I don't know if I want to do bold or neutral. I am typically quite a neutral lip kind of person, but I don't know. I want to do some. Alright, so I've decided I want to do I think made a decision. I'm gonna stick with it. So I was sent these lip glosses from a brand called, I think it's Aronse or Aronse, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but they're really cool. They've sent me almost about 10 lip glosses, and they're all very nice. If you're on my Instagram, you'll see that I've used them before. Yeah, but they're good. Definitely check them out. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX Lip Liner in brown. Nice handy lip liner to have. Very versatile, goes with everything. It's not quite MAC Chestnut, but it's almost there. It's not comparable anyway in colour. This is definitely a lot lighter, but it's very good if you want like a nude lip, but not so dark on the outline, more of a kind of natural nudie kind of lip. On goes the Carmex. And this eyeliner is really nice. I think it was only like £3 or £3.99. It definitely wasn't more than £4, I don't think. Go LA Girl, and they have them in loads of colours as well. I think I might go back and get, like, they had a bright orange one, and I'm really, yeah, like I'm about this right now, so yeah, I might go and get that as well too. Yeah, okay, so hair down. Ooh, honey? Yes. Really liking this look. Final thoughts. Brush my hair first. Looking a bit raggedy. There we go. That's more like it. Yes. Okay. So let's try this again. Final thoughts. So Tammi definitely has done the damn thing with this palette. Colours are fantastic. You have a really good variety of colours here. Check the hashtag on Instagram. There are so many different looks being created with this palette at the moment, and it's only £10. It's so easy to get. It's not, I don't think it's in Superdrug yet, but I know it will be, but definitely on Revolution, on their site it's there, and I think you can get it on Superdrug online as well. But yeah, I love the shadows. I love the shimmers as well. I like that it's not too like sparkly glittery kind of thing. I'm a little bit over that right now, and as I said before, if I want to do that whole sparkly kind of look, I'm more likely going to go for a pigment or some glitter on top of my eyeshadow anyway. I love this look. It's very extra.com. It's definitely more of a night out thing than going to Sainsbury's, but well, I would go to Sainsbury's like this because I'm Sonya. Do let me know if you'd like me to come back and do like more of an understated look as well, because I think it'd be really nice. Even Sienna the cat doing her thing behind me. Very, very, very sorry. She's just playing with her toys, but yeah. But yeah, if like us to do like just very simple, like with just the oranges or something, or just the little pink colours there, you definitely do some really nice simple looks with this too. So don't be put off thinking that if you're not going to do like big rainbow eyes, then it's not for you. Think, yeah, just take 2 colours instead of 5 and you'll be good to go. Sienna, what are you doing? And yeah, here's the little monster here. She doesn't really want to be on camera. If I want her to be on camera, she's not really interested, but when I don't want her to be on camera, she's like, yeah, jumping on the table and all sorts of stuff. Again, I apologise for my absence. I am back now. We're back to 1 video a week at least. I'm currently looking at a pile of things that I've been sent from a few different companies. So I've got a lot of videos to film, so I've got a lot of material for content. So yeah, there shall be some more videos coming your way very soon. If there is anything that you do want me to try out, or any looks that you want me to do, I know a lot of people have asked for my eyebrows, how I do those, so that will be coming up very, very, very soon. And I've got a lot of questions about my hair as well on Instagram. That shall be coming up soon as well. If you do have any other ideas, swing them my way. I'm very happy to hear them and add them to the list, as yeah, it makes my life a bit easier when trying to find out what it is I need to film next. So let me know. So I hope that you like this look. If you don't, just click off the video please, and just watch another one, as I'm sure you'll like that look instead. But if you do like it, please be sure to leave me with a thumbs up and drop a little comment down below. And if you are new here, please be sure to not leave this vicinity without subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell, as I'd like to see you again, and it would be nice for us to get closer with time, you know. So yeah, click that bell, click subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. And for all of you, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.